Hi guys, morning. Welcome to next tutorial. So in last tutorial we discussed about the clockwise animation. Now we will see this anti-clockwise animation. So for this anti-clockwise animation, so I'm using the existing project. So just I took the same button here. So I'm giving here anti-clockwise. So button name also I'm giving this anti-clockwise. Means what happened now? Just now it is rotated from 0 to this. Now it is rotated in the reverse manner. So that we will see here now. So for this, I'm applying the listener here. So that is binding dot. So anti-clockwise dot set anti-listener. So I'm applying the listener here. That anti-listener. So now here I'm writing the animation equal to animation util dot. So load animation. So first is the context. Second is the r dot anim dot. So r dot anim dot anti-clock. So anti-clockwise. So we need to create this animation. So again for the same, applying for this binding dot iv dot. So start animation. So how it will start? So start animation of this above animation. So now with this name, I'm creating a new animation folder. So that is animation resource file with this. So again, it is set is created here. So for this set, again, we need to write here. So one kind of animation. So what we need to write here? Just now we write the rotation, right? So for that, we need to write now reverse. So that is rotate. So rotate. So for this, I need to write. This is the rotate. What is the rotate? First, we need to write from degrees. From degrees 360 and 2 degrees 0. Again, for this, I'm applying the pivot x and y is 50% for both pivot x, pivot y, both are 50%. Then duration. So Android. So duration equal to 5,000 milliseconds. Means after 5 seconds, this will come. So like this, I applied the N. So here just I write the small. Right now, I'm running this. We will see this output. So it is installing. We will see here now. So this is anti-clockwise, right? See, it is in a reverse. Right? This is anti-clockwise. So for this, it is reverse. It is like this. It is in a reverse. So this is anti-clockwise. Thank you. We'll see next animation next video. Thank you.